Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe each and every one of you is doing perfectly fine. So in today's video we are going to make this lovely Koose or Akara. Yes, which is mostly eaten with Hausa Koko, a popular street food here in Ghana. Stay with me as we move right into the video. So this popular snack or breakfast is made from beans, black-eyed beans to be precise. Yes, so we are going to wash this thoroughly before we use it for this recipe. So when we add water to it, all the dead ones will begin to float, which will make it very easy to pick them out. So after washing the beans, I'll add some clean water to it, cover it with a cling wrap and let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. And the main purpose for this is to make the skin become loose so that the black eyes will be very easy to remove. So after 40 minutes, we can see that the skin has become loose and it's coming off easily. Now taking it off one by one like this will be time consuming and very tiring. So I saw this particular method on Sweet Agili's channel where she showed about 5 ways to take off the black eyes. So I'll leave a link in the description box. You can check that video out to see which one will work best for you. So this is the one that I thought would be easy, so I decided to try this one. Yeah. So you just scoop some of the beans in your hand and rub it gently on the grater, and as you can see, the skin will come off easily. Because we soaked it for about 40 minutes, it's already loose, so you don't have to apply so much pressure to this. So as you can see, most of the skin has fallen off, and though this method was quite easy, I switched back to the earthenware bowl and I used the wood masher to hit it in a circular motion to get rid of the rest. And though the beans will split or break into two, that is not something you should be worried about because we'll be blending it after all. So after hitting it like this, you'd have to wash it for about 2 to 3 times to make sure everything has come off, and this will be the outcome. As you can see, the black eyes have been removed beautifully. So I had to attend to something real quick, so I covered it up and allowed it to sit for 3 more hours before I made the kose. So as you can see, the beans has become very soft and it breaks easily. Yes. Now we are moving on to the next step where I'll be transferring the beans into a blender. To that, I'll add some chopped onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 habanero pepper. I'll add just a little bit of water to aid in the blending. If you add a lot, it will not hold when you drop it into the oil, and it will also result in flat Koose or Akara balls. So you just need a little bit of water. At this point, I'll add salt to taste. Give it a good stir until it is well mixed. Now, the traditional way of doing the next step is by using a wooden spatula to beat the butter until it becomes fluffy. Yes, so if that's what you have, you can use it. But today we'll be using an electric whisk to whisk the butter until it becomes fluffy or it kind of doubles in size before we proceed. Now, before you take out the electric whisk, you need to make sure you've turned it off while it's still in the butter before you remove it to prevent making any mess in your kitchen. At this point, I've added some chopped onions, spring onions. You can add green bell pepper, any other vegetable that you prefer. Now, before you fry this, your oil has to be very hot. Now, if you are using a very deep saucepan, the oil has to be very hot. Otherwise, it will just sink to the bottom and absorb a lot of oil. You can fry it just like this and it will be absolutely fine. But today I'm doing another recipe where we put egg on top of it. You can mix the egg with the butter before you fry, or you can do it this way. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Now our Koose or Akara is ready and is mostly served with Hausa Koko here in Ghana as breakfast or snack. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Bye.